Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos step by step. This is a really useful process if you want to better organize your pictures, back them up safely, or access them more easily across your devices. Before we begin, here's a quick concept. Google Drive is mainly designed for storing all kinds of files, like documents, videos, PDFs, and images, while Google Photos is specifically designed for managing and organizing photos and videos. Google Photos also includes features like facial recognition, albums, search by location, and automatic memories. So, if your pictures are currently stored in Google Drive, moving them to Google Photos can make them much easier to browse and manage. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the folder or photos you want to move. You can move individual images or entire folders depending on your needs. Now, here's something important to know. Google Drive and Google Photos used to sync automatically years ago, but Google removed that automatic connection. So today, the easiest method is to download the images from Google Drive and then upload them into Google Photos. To do that, select the photos you want to transfer. You can hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac to select multiple images at once. After selecting the files, right-click and choose Download. Google Drive will automatically create a zip file if you selected multiple photos. Depending on the number of images, this may take a moment. Once the download is finished, locate the zip file on your computer. If necessary, extract the zip folder so you can access the individual image files inside. Now, open a new browser tab and go to Google Photos. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account where you want the pictures stored. In Google Photos, click the Upload button near the top right corner of the screen. You'll see different upload options. Choose Computer, then locate the photos you downloaded from Google Drive. Select the images and click Open. Google Photos will now begin uploading your pictures. The upload speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of the files. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear inside Google Photos automatically. One of the best things about Google Photos is that it can organize your pictures automatically by date, location, people, and even objects inside the image. You can also create albums, search for photos using keywords, and access your images from your phone, tablet, or computer. Here's a useful tip. After confirming that your photos uploaded successfully to Google Photos, you can choose to delete the original copies from Google Drive if you want to free up storage space. Just make sure everything transferred correctly before deleting anything. Another helpful tip is to create albums inside Google Photos immediately after uploading. This makes it easier to organize travel pictures, school projects, family photos, or work-related images. Also, remember that both Google Drive and Google Photos use your Google account storage, so large photo collections may use a significant amount of space. And that's it. That's how you move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.